Hey, welcome back, guys. So on my channel, I just talk about most things that have to do with Uber or Priuses, since I do drive a Prius. And on this particular video, I'm going to talk about how to change the time that displays on your Prius screen. So right over there. So let's go ahead and get this started. So if you want to change the time on your Toyota Prius, it's pretty easy. And why would you want to do that? Maybe it's going to be daylight savings time and you need to switch the clock on your Prius, or maybe you move to a different time zone. Whatever the case is, it's pretty easy. What you're going to want to do is, first off, the clock is there on the dash. As you can see right there, mine says 5:46 right now, and this is a 2013 Prius. It might be different for your car. If it is, be sure to leave a comment. I'm not too sure, and I'll try to do some research and leave some more information in the description to see which one this would apply to, which years of a Prius this would apply to. But on this car, really easy. They have this little setup right here. So as you can see, there's 3 buttons and then a 4th one right here. And this one says H, this one says M, this one says 0. And this one has like a little clock or something. I'm not sure what that is. So what you're going to want to do is you can see mine says 5:47. If I'm pressing the button here on hour, it's going to change the hour mark. So H is for hour. So now it says 6:47. The next one is M for minute. So it says 47 right now. If I press that once, it goes to 48. So it's changed from 5:47 to 6:48. And then the last one is 0. And then that would change out the clock minutes completely to just a 0. So it's like a quick function. So let's go ahead and change that back to 5:44. So what I'm going to do is press the H button until I get to a 5. This is not a 24-hour clock. It is AM and PM. So right now it says 6 AM. So I'm just going to keep pressing it. We're in PM. All right, so I got it to 5, and then since it's about 5:47 now, I'm just going to hold it down, and then as you can see, when you hold it down, it'll continue on its own, but it doesn't go very fast, so that's not ideal. If you press it fast, it'll go quicker. It's up to you, though. All right, so I'm going to stop it at 5:48. That's close enough. So yeah, it's got this easy little button function right here. Not really hard to use, and then that's the clock thing. One thing you want to make sure is just be sure to check that it's PM or AM. I mean, I don't know how important that is, because when you're in your car you could probably tell if it's PM or AM since it's 12 hours apart, but it's nice that it does have that function. That way, I don't know, maybe you're teaching your kids how to tell time and then it says AM and PM. So there you go. That's how to change the clock time on your Toyota Prius 2013. Real easy. Just use these 3 little buttons here. I don't know what this button is. If you do, leave a comment below, because I don't know what it is. I think it has something to do with like charging the car or something. Leave me a comment below. But hopefully you liked the video. If so, click thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.